Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. We are discussing exercise 3.2 of matrix chapter class 12. Now we can discuss the fourth question. If A is equal to 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, B is equal to 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3, C is equal to 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Compute A plus B and B minus C. Also verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. First we can do A plus B. So we have to do A plus B. Okay. A plus B. That is equal to, what is A? This is A. 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, plus B. 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. So we can add. What is A plus B? 3 plus 1, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1, 4. So this is our A plus B. Okay students. So students, next we have to find B minus C. So our matrix B is 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3 minus 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. So we have to subtract these two matrices. So the answer is 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 3 1 2 0. This is a matrix B minus C. Next is we have to verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. First we can take the LHS. LHS is A plus B minus C. So we already found B minus C. This is our B minus C. So this is our B minus C. So we have to add A. So first one is A. This is our A plus B minus C matrix. So students, A is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, and we have to add these two matrices. So our answer is 0 0 minus 3 9 minus 1 5 2 1 1. Next we have to find A plus B and then we have to subtract C from that. Okay. So what is A plus B? A plus B, we already found A plus B. Our A plus B is 4 1 minus 1 9 2 7 3 minus 1 4. Okay students. So next is we have to subtract C. So A minus, this is our matrix C. We have to find this and this are equal. So what is the answer of this thing? What is the answer of this operation? So students, our answer is 0 0 minus 3 9 minus 1 5 2 1 1. We got the same answer. So we can say A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Next is the fifth question. If A is equal to 2 by 3, 1 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3, and B is equal to 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5. We have to compute 3A minus 5. Okay. So first we have to multiply this 3 with each and every element in this matrix A. So 3 into 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3 are A matrix. So I can cut this 3 and 3. So my answer is 2. Here 1 into 3, that is 3. 5 by 3 into 3 is 5. 1 by 3 into 3 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. Okay. Next we have to compute 5B. So 5 into B is 5 into the matrix B. Here our answer is 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. Both are same. And if we are subtracting, we are getting 0 matrix or null matrix. 3A minus 5B is a 0 matrix. Sixth question. Simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. So that is our matrix. So first we have to multiply this cos theta into the first matrix. Okay, so I am multiplying this cos theta with each and every element in this matrix. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Okay, cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta. This is minus sin theta into cos theta, that is minus cos theta sin theta, or minus sin theta cos theta. Cos square theta plus, I am multiplying the sin theta inside. So sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, and sin square theta. So what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? That is equal to 1. Cos theta sin theta, here it is cos theta sin theta, negative of cos theta sin theta. So our answer is 0. Here again 0. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay. So students, our seventh question is, we have to find x and y if x plus y is equal to 7025 and x minus y is equal to 30 and 03. Okay, this is the second question. First we can do the first question, first part. Okay, x plus y is given. So x plus y is equal to 7025. Okay, next is x minus y. X minus y is given as 30 and 03. Okay students, so we have to find the value of x and y. So if we are adding these two equations, we can cancel this y and y term. We get a value in terms of x, and from that we can find the value of x. So I am going to add this. So here x and x is 2x. This got cancelled. Okay, so plus 0, that is equal to, I am going to add each and every elements of this two matrices. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 and 0, 0. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. So this is my 2x. So if I want to find the value of x, I have to divide this 2 with each and every term in this matrix. So x is equal to 1 by 2 into 10, 0, 2, 8. Okay, so 10 by 2 is 5, 0, 2 by 2, 1, 8 by 2, 4. Okay, so this is a value of x. So how can we find the value of y? We can either substitute the value of x either in this equation or in this equation to find the value of y. So students, I am taking the first equation. What is my first equation? X plus y is equal to 7025. Okay, so we got the value of x now. So I am substituting the value of x, 5014 plus y is equal to 7025. So how can we find the value of y? Y is equal to this minus this, 7025 minus 5014. So what is my answer? 7 minus 5, 2, 0, 1, 1. So this is the value of y. Okay students. So students, next question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2340 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. So we have to find the values of x and y. Here if we are doing addition or subtraction, it won't cancel anything because here it is 2x and here it is 3x. Here it is 3y and here it is 2y. Okay, so I am writing it down here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. Okay, students. So, how can we find the values of x and y here? We have to use elimination method. We have to either eliminate x or y. So, students, if you want to eliminate x, what you have to do? Take the coefficient of x from the first equation and multiply it in the second equation. Take the coefficient of x in the second equation and multiply it with the first equation. So let's cancel the x term here. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to multiply. I have to take the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? That is 3. So I have to multiply this full equation with 3. Okay. And here what is the coefficient of x? 2. So here I have to multiply the full equation with 2. So let's do that. Okay. So 2 into 3, 6. So that is 6x. 6x plus 3 into 3, 9. 9y is equal to, we have to multiply each and every elements inside the matrix also. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 and this is 0. Okay. Next is we can multiply with this 2 for the second equation. 3 2s are 6x. See, both the coefficient became same. 6x plus 4y is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 4, minus 2 and 5 2s are 10. Okay. So next is what we have to do. We have to subtract both equations. Okay. I'm going to subtract. Okay. So 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. This term will become 0. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 5y is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 4, that is 9 plus 4, that is equal to 13. Next is 12 minus 2, that is 12 plus 2, 14. 0 minus 10 is minus 10. So this is 5y. So how can we find the value of y? Y is equal to, we have to divide each and every term inside the matrix with 5. So our answer is 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 minus 10 by 5. So this is the value of y. So next we can find the value of x. So here we have two equations. We can substitute the value of x in either of these two equations. Okay, either this equation, the first equation, and this is the second equation. Let it be the first and second equations. So I am taking the first equation. Let me take the first equation. So my first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to, so 2x plus 3y. Instead of y, we can substitute this value. 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 10 by 5. 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. So now it became very easy. We can first multiply this 3 into this bracket. So 2x plus 3 2s are 6. 6 by 5 and 13 into 3 is 39. 39 by 5. 14 into 3 is 42. 42 by 5. 3 into minus 30 by 5. Okay. Minus 30 by 5 can be written as minus 6. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 0. Okay. So 2x is equal to this minus this. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 0 is our matrix minus this matrix. 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5, minus 6. Instead of 30 by 5, I am writing minus 6. So we can subtract. After subtraction, we get a value like, we get a matrix like this. So x is equal to, what is the value of x? 4 by 5 by 2. So that is 4 by 5 into 2, right? So this is 5 into 2. So this is 5 into 2. So I can cancel this 2. So my answer is 2 by 5. So my answer is 2 by 5. Okay. This is what? 5 into 2. I can cancel this 2 and this is 12. So minus 12 by 5 is my answer. Minus 12 by 5. Okay. This is again into 2. So I can cancel this, minus 11 by 5. So I got the answer as minus 11 by 5. Next, this is 6 by 2, that is 3. So this is a value of x. So we got the value of x and y. Okay students, so this is how we are solving the equation. If equations are given, we have to use elimination method to eliminate either x or y, and then we have to solve for x and y. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.